So if you get your glue from them too, your eyelash is gonna stay on if you start crying around your boo thing, right? Y'all watching a scary movie and then the lash start coming off. Don't you hate that? Hey you guys, welcome back to Sow to See. In this video, I'm going to give you an easy step-by-step guide on how to find your wholesale mink eyelash vendors by using Instagram, okay? In my previous video, that focus was on anybody who's trying to get into the hair industry and you want to find vendors, wholesale vendors for raw and virgin hair extensions. So I might as well keep this going. I'm going to try to do each category for you guys, depending on what you're trying to do as far as the products you want to sell for your small business. So today we're going to be using Instagram again and showing you guys how to find your wholesale eyelash vendors, okay? So I'm going to be sharing with you guys my screen, and it's pretty similar to the previous video, but let's just see what we find and what type of tips I want to give you guys as far as what you want to look for when you are looking for wholesale eyelash vendors on Instagram. Okay, so we're going to use the search bar. Again, this is a brand new page that I just started. But we're going to use the search bar in Instagram the same way you would use the Google search engine. Okay, so let's just go ahead and put, what do we want to put? Wholesale. What that type? Okay, I spelled that wrong. Wholesale eyelashes. Ooh, so we got one right here at the top. Let's open this up in a different tab so we don't have to keep going back and forth. And let's see what we have here. Wholesale eyelashes. This has a link tree. This is actually a US vendor, honey, so you don't even have to worry about somebody shipping from overseas or any of that stuff. You can find this person right here in the United States. So let's see. Is this actually somebody selling wholesale or they reselling? Start and grow your own lash business. I don't know. Let's skip that one for now, because sometimes, depending on who they are in the United States, they may just be purchasing wholesale and then they're adding a certain price and they're selling it to you at a discount, you know, really a discount, not really wholesale prices. Now this one, because it says plus 86, you guys should already know that means that they are located in China. Of course, you can find any of them by using AliExpress. Let's see if they have any videos. Now, this is the key thing that I personally would say that you want to look for. Make sure they have the type of packaging. They can do OEM as far as your logo design and stuff like that on your packaging as well. So they do have other items you could purchase. Are these socks too? Not saying you guys are looking at this video for socks, but it just kind of caught my eye. So yeah, those are actually socks. So let's see what type of styles they have. Now, mostly for eyelashes, when you're going into eyelashes, the most popular ones right now are the 25 millimeter. Now, that depends on who your target audience is, because I personally don't like those 25 millimeter lashes. For me, that's just a little overboard. But if your target audience is probably like 16 to 25, 9 times out of 10, you probably want to go with a vendor that has those 25 millimeter lashes. Now, if your target audience are people that's 25 and up, because yes, we still wear lashes. I am over 25. I'm in my 30s. But I personally like the 16-inch wispies. Maybe an 18-inch is probably the longest that I would go. But you do want to make sure that whatever type of mink eyelashes wholesale vendor that you go with, that it matches who your target audience is. Because that's a lot of reasons why when people start small businesses, they're not successful, because they have not yet identified who their target audience is. So although you selling lashes, you still want to match that with your target audience, okay? So like these, I would probably wear these unless they are actually 25. Let me see. It doesn't really say what the length is. Oh, they have a video. Yeah, those are cute. See, I like these wispy. So they do have some really cool, cute boxes. They're kind of regular schmegular, if you ask me. They also have the eyelash tweezers. They also have the eyelash glue pens if you're looking for that. Oh, these are kind of cute. Oh, that's kind of cute. Let's zoom in. This is like a pill. You can call this the red pill, pink pill, blue pill, whatever you want to call it. Swallow these pills. Get these mink lashes, girl. We got the right peel. The mink peel. You know how your girl, because I really like her, Crystal, when she has like the pink pill channel. You could call your business the mink pill. Okay. So before I go to that page now, all you guys do is type in wholesale eyelashes, or you could type in wholesale mink lashes, and then you want to scroll this list that Instagram gives you. So it's going to give you a whole bunch of different pages that has wholesale eyelashes. Okay, put that in your notes, and then as you scroll through these pages, I'll show you guys how to save them, so you don't start following their pages, because you don't want to put that you're a follower and somebody come and click on this little button right here, and now we can see your business name, right? We can see your business name and tell like, oh, we like your lashes, we like your packages. Now we know you follow them, so we could just go get your vendor and purchase the same thing you have, because we know you follow their pages. So make sure you're not following them. Make sure whatever you like, so say like, oh, I really like this one, right? I'm not saying I do, but say this is you and you say, oh, I like these. Those are really cute, even though they're thick. I actually like those. Instead of following them, you just click this little thing right here, and it's gonna save it to your collection. And this one is actually in California. Oh, they're located in California. Oh, so this might actually be a good vendor. They have probably a manufacturing company in China, but they have an actual store here in the United States. Maybe you guys can call them on WhatsApp and see if they actually have a local store. But those eyelashes are really, really cute. I like those. Oh, they got some pictures, some videos of them actually making the lashes. I love stuff like this. I don't know if you guys do. Does the diamond glue resist to strong water? Okay, so they have glue. So if you get your glue from them too, your eyelash is gonna stay on if you start crying around your boo thing, right? Y'all watching a scary movie and then the lash start coming off. Don't you hate that? You got a little tear or your eyes watering and now your lashes lifting up. They got that glue, that new, so your eyelashes won't be falling out. I wonder if we can find wholesale magnetic lashes. So let's put that in there. Wholesale. Let's see what Instagram give us. Okay, we got a at least a hashtag. Okay, let's see. Wholesale magnetic lashes. Plus 86. That means they're in China. So yeah, and they actually have different versions of the eyelash. You remember when these magnetic lashes, they only came in one style. So this is like an entire package. You could sell retail with your online store if you want to offer lashes. Here go the name right here, you guys, if you want to go on Instagram and find it. Um let's see who else is on here. Let's see. Wholesale. This doesn't say whether or not this is magnetic. So they may just be using that hashtag just to come up on this page. But you do want to make sure. So yeah, they kind of all look the same. This is the same manufacturer. Click on wholesale mink lashes. They have a website. So I wonder if they're in the United States. Let's check out this website. Let's scroll to the bottom. WooCommerce is probably not in the United States. Yep, here we go right here. Plus 86, so they're actually in China too. Let's look at these boxes though, because these type of websites normally, if they use WooCommerce, they be having some bomb packaging, okay? So they show you all of the different, they got 25 millimeters. Let's see if they actually have 16 and 18 for somebody who trying to sell lashes to somebody like me, okay? Do they have 16 and 18? Let's see. Okay, so it go down to 15 millimeters, 20, 22, 25. They even have bottom mink lashes too, if you're into that. Most people, if you know how to brand yourself and you can rock those bottom lashes, people will buy them. You just got to have a good marketing strategy. So don't you guys forget that just because you finding wholesale vendors and you start selecting what your products is and who you're going to be purchasing from, You still have to focus on branding yourself, learning how to advertise, learning what marketing is, understanding who your target audience is, or otherwise you're just going to be purchasing products and you're not going to make any money, right? So I guess these are the shorter ones. I would definitely not even waste my time rocking lashes like that. I could just put mascara on my own. So let's go to their lash boxes and see what they have to offer, and then I'm going to end this video here. Hopefully you guys understand that all you have to do is type in wholesale eyelashes to find them on Instagram, or you could type in wholesale mink lashes on Instagram. Now you could also do the same thing with hashtags. So you could do hashtag wholesale mink lashes or hashtag wholesale eyelashes or something like that. So let's see what their boxes look like. Okay, that's cute. Cartoon box. That's different. So most of these kind of look like your average eyelash box. I could kind of zoom in for you guys if you want to see it close up. That snake print is super cute. Ooh, I love this one. This one is really, really pretty. Oh, that's like snake print too. Oh, I like that. Okay, so Passport. I don't know if you guys have seen that. I've seen that a couple of times, but it is a little bit more exclusive. So you can have an eyelash box that look like a Passport. They got some other ones, I'm sure. I'm telling you because my coaching clients are not just people who sell raw and virgin hair. I have coaching clients who sell lashes, who sell shoes, who sell women clothing, who sells makeup, does makeup, make wigs, sell hair. I have clients in all different types of industries. Okay, so these are the different ones, right? So let me zoom in. These look like business cards. I mean, credit cards. So that's really cute. Link, eyelash box, acrylic. Those are regular. Mm, y'all can tell I'm really picky, right? Regular, regular. Honey, can we get to the money ones? The money. Okay, so you got some that look like Skittles on here. That's really cute. You could call it candy lashes, lash flavors, flavors of lashes, chocolate lashes. I'm just joking, y'all. Those are not real good business names. Candy lashes is though. Yeah. I was trying to see if they actually had close-ups of the different lashes too, but this is a good vendor right here that you guys can actually use for your eyelash business. I love to see like the back end of businesses. Do she have on the lash? Girl, stop playing. You know you don't wear those lashes. Include lashes and customer lashes packing and our machine. Okay, first, let me introduce our lashes for you. Okay, boo. I like your shirt. Lashes are handmade and all of them are simply mink fur, so it is hot quality. It is top quality. Each pair we can reuse about 20 to 25 times. Okay, you can see this is our semi-finished product. I like them. We will circle them. You can see this is. And let me show you our hot selling 25 millimeters mink lashes. You can see. Hot selling, which means that that's the trend. This one is our 25 millimeters mink lashes, and it is very, very dramatic. You can see. Hold on, Pooh. Really? Can y'all tell me down in the comment section why do y'all love those 25 millimeter lashes so much? Please put me on because y'all know I'm older. Okay, I'm your big sis, right? So I'm over 30 and I really don't get why those are so. Our DY020. You can see very, very dramatic. Yes, we see from far, far away. DY020. You can see, okay. And this one is our 16 millimeters. See, that's me. 16 millimeters. You can see? I like that. Very, very natural. And if you wear it to go to school, she pretty too. Party or shopping, you can wear this one. And if you want to take a party, you can use this one. Very, very dramatic and Girl, she even tell you how to wear them. Like if you going to a party, you trying to stand out, get these 25 millimeters. Okay, she know how to market her stuff. If you just going to the mall or you just shopping or you going to work, you can put on these 16 millimeters. Okay, she even giving y'all some branding and marketing strategies. 25 millimeters mink lashes, you can see. Mm-hmm. It is very circle and dramatic. So I guess if you want to sell them in a package, you could get those. That's kind of like this right here. Okay. So this is good instead of selling those single packages when somebody just want a whole bunch of lashes. This is a good product to sell where you can sell multiple and then you're going to actually have a higher price, which means that when you have a higher price item, it means that you're making more money faster. And I didn't get to mention that in my finding raw hair versus virgin hair vendors, because a lot of people think like, oh, raw hair, it costs too much, nobody's gonna buy it. But you don't have to work as hard with making sales with raw hair because it's a particular specific audience, and because the price is a lot higher, you make money faster because you don't have to have, you can have 2 orders versus their 10 orders and y'all actually made the same thing. So this is actually a good strategy. Instead of selling the single mink lashes, is to do something where you got like multiple lashes in the pack, right? So yeah, I like that. So it is very top quality and can reuse the 20 to 25 mil. Okay. When you wear the lashes, you will take glue on the eyelashes, so you need to wash them. I show you how to do it. Now, let's hold on. So they have machines that you could buy that you could sell on your website that you could actually sell to your customers where they can clean their lashes. That's dope. Put the water in the machine first. It's like a little washing machine for eyelashes. How cute is that? Okay. Second, you can use the remove up water. Remove up water, and I show you. We're gonna watch this together. I need some popcorn. Okay. Now, which style do you want to wash? Okay, let me choose. Okay, then open the cover. You can see about 20. That's key, because you don't, as soon as you get a lash wet, it be looking totally different, right? Oh, that's dope. But I ain't gonna keep y'all watching this video, right? So let me get up out of here. You guys can actually go to this website and watch it for yourselves. So I hope that this video was informative. We starting 2021 off right. If you ready to start you a side hustle that makes a little bit of extra money because of everything we went through back in 2020, right? A side hustle is gonna do all of us good. That means we have some money coming in outside of our jobs where we don't have to just be dependent on those particular jobs. So you could do a side hustle or you could do a full-time business if that's what you want to do. So I hope that this was informative. Down below, let me know down in the comments if this video helped you. If you have any suggestions of other videos as far as starting your own business. This is how you can get your pretty much wholesale vendor list for mink eyelashes and eyelashes by using Instagram. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.